What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go to our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.056, down 2% on the day. Sitting market cap 380 million, 24-hour volume 260 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitkit, sign up, grab up to 8K in bonuses or Bybit up to 30,000 in bonuses. These are the two exchanges I use for my trading and investing. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns and talking all things crypto. Let's hop into Gala Games. We're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So we bounced off our wave 4 pullback area right off the ascending trend line of this rising wedge. So we may look to push up in an ABC in a wave 5. So you'd look for an A, B, C into a 5 and then break down from this wedge. Now we can break down from here. That's definitely a possibility. If you see Gala start to roll over and break down out of this wedge, potential retest, and then start to break down, and we lose this invalidation point of 0.046, then that's when you can start to see the continuation down in the wave 2 pullback. Now, if we were to break down from here, I'll give you a measurement. What you would do is take a fib retracement from the bottom of your wave 1 to the top, and you'd look for a pullback in between the 0.5 and the 0.786 on the fib, which is currently sitting at 0.031. The 0.786 is at 0.021. So that would be your target zone if we were to break down from here. As I've been mentioning on the daily time frame, I do think these divergences will eventually play out. We do have a bull flag, but I don't think there's a high likelihood of us pushing right up to that bull flag target. I think it's just going to be a bit of a fake out and potentially roll over. Money's flowing out while price is pushing up. The big boys are scooping in their profits, selling to everyone that's FOMOing into the market. There are absolutely no guarantees. But if we look here on Gala, this is the weekly time frame. So we pushed right up into previous resistance on the weekly, where you can see we got rejected multiple times. We did break it right here, but then we fell back down. And that's currently where we are finding resistance. We are back above the 20 EMA on the weekly time frame. Just be very cautious. We pumped up very, very quickly. And the harder you pump, the steeper that you correct. So if we just explode to the upside, then the harder the crash will be. So it would be healthy for Gala to see a retracement sooner than later. All right, gang. So that's all I'm looking at here in the short term. We could still definitely put in that wave 5 to the upside, as obviously there has been a lot of buying interest in this area. We saw some nice little pumps right here. We saw like a 20% or like 30% push to the upside. So I wouldn't be surprised to see Gala put in that wave 5 to take you up to about 0.068 before seeing continuation to the downside. But as I mentioned, if we start to break down from this wedge, we lose this invalidation point, then do look for us to come down to this target zone in a wave 2 pullback, where I will look to add to my HODL position. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Sign up to Bitkit. This is where I do the majority of my trading. Grab up to 8K in bonuses or Bybit. Check out my full length tutorials in the description, as well as pinned at the end of the video. All you have to do is sign up, email me, or sign up email, free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, signals, crypto news. You can see how the members are doing with their own trades. They like to post their profits in here. My HODL all plays $10 a month. You really can't beat it. Sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.